Greetings, Internet. Today we're taking a look at the MX Keys Advanced Wireless Illuminated Keyboard by Logitech, the Master Series by Logitech. So here I have my trusty knife. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, there's a little tab here to pull out the keyboard. Very nice. Inside the box, there's another box. Let's open this box. Ooh, there's a quick setup guide here. Turn it on, plug it in, or I guess turn on your Bluetooth. And then touch the magic switch to switch it. Looks like the keyboard itself is in this very nice paper, like tissue wrapping paper. Listen to that ASMR. Ooh. Let's open it up carefully. Very nice, very nice. There's a little card here. The ultimate companion to your MX keys. I guess this is a flyer for their mouse product. Cool. Let's continue unwrapping. Oh, here's the keyboard. The keyboard itself, it's kind of heavy. Looks like they put some serious heft into it. I assume this big section here is the battery. There's a little USB-C port right here. I don't know if you can see that. And then there's an on-off switch. Not bad. Okay, moving on. Inside the box there is the unifying receiver. Ooh, check out this little USB dongle. Good for your PC. And then moving forward, I guess there's a little pull-up. Oh, there's more stuff in here. Let's see what's in this cool box. Oh, I gave you a nice little charging cable. Don't usually get this. And then there's a little instruction manual as well. Going in further to see if there's anything else. The rest of the box is empty. Well, that's not too bad. Looks like we got a couple of goodies to try out. Alrighty, now that we're done unboxing, let's go ahead and try out the keyboard on my iPad Pro. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and turn it on, the on-off switch. And I can see that the lights are kind of flickering. So let me go ahead and go into the settings on my iPad and see if it's showing up. So I don't see it there. Oh, I see it. It's showing up. Let's go ahead and push the button. Says I need to type in a code. Okay, typed it in and it looks like it's there. So let me go ahead and open a notepad window and see what we get. Alright, so here we are in the numbers spreadsheet. Let's try typing some stuff. Let's see. Okay, now let's try typing some stuff. Yes, it seems to be working. So that's pretty cool. The pairing itself was almost instantaneous. When I turn it on, the one light here was blinking, so it seems like it kind of detected the Bluetooth on the iPad. Besides that, the keyboard has a bunch of other cool features that can directly control your iPad. For example, there are these brightness keys. So if I push these, you can see that the brightness on my iPad is changing. There's also these keys to change the brightness on the keyboard. I don't know if it'll come through. Here, let me turn off the light. So let's see if this changes. Actually, let me turn on the brightness on the iPad. Okay. So as I increase this, the brightness on the keyboard's going up, and yeah, I can see it on the camera. So that's pretty cool. It also has these cool like window changing keys. So for example, I can do an Alt tab. It's got this one where it'll minimize the window. And it's got these like volume control keys so I can control my media. Here you can see the volume is changing on my iPad. It also has this like play next track, previous track, play pause. Here are the 3 buttons for switching between the 3 devices. There's a take screenshot button right here. Pretty neat. Just took a little screenshot. And then there's a lock iPad. So if I push this button, it'll like turn off my iPad, I guess, in case somebody's trying to hack me or anything like that. So I'm pretty happy with this keyboard for my initial impression. It is kind of heavy, so I guess that's kind of a mark of quality. And I guess other than that, it's pretty neat. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'd say this is a much better alternative to the Apple Magic Keyboard. Thanks for watching.